Could the rise of artificial intelligence be the dawn of a new industrial revolution? The answer may surprise you. Akin to the impact of steam engines on the 18th century economy, the advent of AI is set to redefine our modern workforce and economy in ways we are just beginning to understand. Let's turn our attention to OpenAI, a trailblazer in the realm of AI. This San Francisco-based firm, valued at over $80 billion, has been making significant strides in pushing the AI frontier. From its inception, OpenAI has been on a mission to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. Through its commendable work, it has proven that AI isn't merely a tool, but a transformative technology that can shape our world. One of OpenAI's most significant contributions to the AI world is the development of a new generative AI tool named Sora. Imagine a tool that can transform your written prompts into a high-quality video. That's precisely what Sora is designed to do. Building upon its existing tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E, Sora is a testament to OpenAI's commitment to advancing AI technology. Sora is currently available to a select group, and the details about its capabilities are slowly being revealed. The anticipation is palpable, and rightly so. Sora promises to revolutionize how we consume and create content, opening up a world of possibilities. The potential applications are vast, from creating educational content to producing entertainment videos, and perhaps even more that we haven't yet imagined. However, it's not all about technology. OpenAI understands the importance of ethical considerations in AI development. It's committed to long-term safety and ensuring a broad distribution of benefits. OpenAI strives to avoid enabling uses of AI or AGI that could harm humanity or concentrate power unduly. In conclusion, the future of AI is not just about technological advancements, but also about how these advances impact our economy and workforce. OpenAI, through its innovative tools like Sora, is leading the way in shaping this future. As we navigate this new era of AI, it's crucial to remember that AI is not a threat, but a tool. A tool that, if used wisely and ethically, can open up a world of possibilities and redefine our future.